Have you ever gotten a raise, saved a few $1,000s, or received a bonus, and then immediately wondered, okay, where am I actually supposed to put this money? Because that's exactly where most people get stuck. My name is Max, and I spend way too much time thinking about personal finance and investing. If you're someone who wants to build wealth but feels overwhelmed by all the investment options out there, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Here's the thing. Most people think investing starts with stocks. It doesn't. The smartest order to invest your money starts before you ever buy a single share of a company. Step 1. Build an emergency fund. Look, if your car breaks down tomorrow and you have no cash, you'll be forced to sell investments at the worst possible time. That's why experts recommend keeping 3 to 6 months of expenses in cash. Step 2. Eliminate high-interest debt. Now, you might be thinking, but investing earns more money. Not usually. If your credit card charges 24% interest, paying it off is like earning a guaranteed 24% return. Good luck finding that consistently in the stock market. Step 3. Invest in broad index funds. This is where it gets really interesting. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned around 10% annually over long periods. That means if you invest $500 per month for 30 years, you could end up with over $1 million thanks to compound growth. Here's what most people don't realize. Building wealth is less about finding the perfect investment and more about following the right order. It's like building a house. You don't start with the roof, you start with the foundation. Emergency fund, debt payoff, index funds. Simple. Not exciting, but incredibly effective. The people who become wealthy aren't usually the smartest investors. They're the most consistent. Start where you are, invest what you can, stay patient. And if you want more videos about building wealth, investing smarter, and achieving financial freedom, hit subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.